pages area, as you can see. Okay, so the pages area you access via the main menu and pages. Sometimes at this point we get the question, how do I create a new login for my team members? Well, we did that on day 1, episode 2, and you can do that via my account, go to the teams area. But now we're in the pages area, and I'm going to go at the top and add a new page. I'm just going to call this one demo. Now, content team, you can actually go and create your own demo page. Just call it Demo Sarah or whatever you're going to call it, and then keep it in draft. Don't put it live because we're going live tomorrow. But I'll click create to spin up a new page.